when you're making a character now, supposingly, so then you have your own words and you have your character words. So supposingly you're doing multiple characters over the course of time, but your core words remain the same, or your words are not like I can't move beyond my 10 words, like I don't have them. So aren't you playing yourself on those 5 words again and again with every character you're intersecting like that? Aren't you
are you saying, are you bringing too much of yourself?
Yes, again and again.
Yes, I mean you are, but again as an actor, the job is to keep expanding the horizons of yourself.
Of myself.
Of yourself.
Individually.
But see, at the same time, the way to expand the horizon of the self, and we've spoken of this in the workshop also, is to actually have no identity in the self, no identity in the self. You know, that's actually the way to achieve it. It's wherever we will be rigid in our life, whatever areas of our life, wherever we are rigid, those are the very areas where we won't be able to improvise or adapt to something else. It's as simple as that. So the way to become an actor who's extremely adaptable and flexible to play different parts, the only solution is to not have any rigidities in your own life. That's the way to achieve it. When we have a certain image कि मैं तो ये ही हूँ, or when we have certain notions, or when there are certain emotions in our own life that dominate us, when there are some psychological aspects, some psychological trait that dominates us, only in these circumstances we won't be able to play certain characters. But if we are not so rigid in life, then we are pretty open to playing all kinds of characters. Yeah, of course, there'll be some characters which will come easier to you because they're closer to your personality, and there'll be some which will not come easy to you, which is true for any actor, not just for you. It's true for any actor. So that's how you expand on your horizons. You don't be so rigid in life. You keep expanding your own limitations, and you keep. So this is where self-awareness is very important. That you know कि हाँ मेरा ये issue है. For example, when I step out, when there are more than 5 people who I've never met before, I shut up or I clamp down or I'm not very interactive. Whereas if it's a friend I know, then I'm talking normally. So then understand that if tomorrow you get a part where the character is such कि वो stranger से भी जाके ऐसे बात करता है जैसे अपने दोस्त से बात करता है. To understand that this thing, this nature of yours is going to be a limitation in playing that character. So one way is not have that limitation in life. The other is that once if you get a part and you have, let's just say 3 weeks before you start, then in those 3 weeks start becoming this person who can randomly walk up to a stranger.
Start being comfortable with anybody.
Yeah, like go to a friend's party or for a friend's gathering and start talking with strangers. I mean, it won't be creepy because you're in the same party. Don't do it like on the road. So things like that. So understanding our own rigidities and our own psychological imbalances and our own dominating emotions. Like if I remain sad more in life as a person, then you realize that to reach your own balance, you need to counter it with a slightly more effervescent and happy environment. So then put yourself a little bit more in those kind of situations, because at the end of the day, it's healthy for you not just as an actor but even as a person to have that kind of a balance in your own life. Why only be sad or more angry or less confident or whatever? Like just come to your balance. And the beauty of coming to a balance is it's not like Ayush will become like somebody else who's balanced. Because Ayush's balance will be very unique from anybody else's balance. Because Ayush has his own trait. So at the end of the day, we have to come in harmony with our own self. And till we are in harmony with our own self, we cannot openly perform and do a scene or perform a character.